Hey, how you guys doing today? I'm gonna show you how to reset your root password if you forgot it on a Ubuntu 14 server. So what you first want to do is reboot your Ubuntu server in rescue mode. Usually any VPS provider will give you like a little button that says, reboot your server in rescue mode, and usually they send you an email with login credentials to get into that rescue mode of your server. So once you connect to your server in rescue mode, let's go ahead and log in with those details that they provide you, which is usually root and then a generated password. Once we log in, you're going to want to list your partitions, and you can see at the very bottom we're going to mount that 20 gig volume. So to mount it, we need to do chroot to it. Well, not mount it, but you just want to get to that partition. Once you get to that, Alright, once you get to that, then you just want to type in your passwd to change your root password. Put in your root password, do it again, and then once it says successfully updated, you successfully changed your root password in rescue mode. Now you can reboot your VPS, or if this is a dedicated server, reboot the server, and then you can use the new root password. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave your comments below. But yeah, it's that easy. You just reboot in rescue mode, list your partitions, chroot to your partition, type in passwd, and then type in your new Unix password twice, and then reboot your VPS, and you'll be all set to go. And like I said, if you have any issues or problems, please leave your comments below, and we'll help you out. Thanks.